going to be showing you guys my Sunday reset routine. I've never done one of these on my channel before, so I thought that it would be a really good idea to finally get something like this on my channel. I've done like videos, like motivational videos and stuff like that a very long time ago, but I have not done that in a while. So I wanted to do a video on my channel, see how things go. Sundays for me are days that you can like lounge around, get some rest, but you can also kind of reset your entire week because it's the first day of the week. And also this day in particular is the first day of a new month. Well, not the first day, but it's the first Sunday in a new month. We are in the month of March. I feel like that as you get further into the month, you kind of get in the swing of things. This year, starting out, we, of course, as you guys know, moved into our new home. So it was a little bit chaotic. So now I feel like that the month of March, I'm getting into the swing of things and things are a little bit more calmed down for me. And I can really just like bask in my new environment that I absolutely love. I'm finally able to get, you know, used to my environment. Just a few tips for you guys if you are looking for like certain little activities and things like that to do on Sundays or the beginning of the week. A few things that you can definitely do is to have like your first day of the week as a goal focused day, or a day where you reflect back on your previous week, or for me it will be reflecting back on the previous month, which was the month of February. The month of February for me was a little bit, it wasn't like the best month, but I also had a lot of great things happen. For example, Nourish was featured in the Vanity Fair magazine. So as you guys know, in December of 2022, Nourish featured as #1 on Vogue's list for their December wish list. So that was amazing. But coming into this month, in the month of February, we were actually featured in, where we're going to be featured already on the shelves right now. So in the March issue of Vanity Fair basically spotlighted how meticulous in the way that the brand is put together is, and also spotlighted the brand as a whole. So it was really, really good to be featured in such a world-renowned publication. It's absolutely amazing, and I just love that it was finally able to, you know, be released. So it's actually on the shelves now. Some of you have already said that you're gonna go pick up the issue. So super, super excited about that. For the month of March, for me in particular, I like to start off by definitely just saying what I want the month of March to be a focus for me. For the month of March, for me, the key word is definitely focus, and just be dedicated to focusing, which sounds so easy to do, but I swear, like, in this day and age, it's so easy to like get off task and to just not have your mind at the right spot. If you have like goals or you have things that you want to get to and you're like all over the place and you're not really focusing on that one center point of where you want to be, it can really throw off everything. One example I like to use is when I was actually watching this TV show. It was like Japanese games or something like that with my boyfriend, and we both watching it, and one thing that we both noticed is that every time the person who was doing the game would look away and like look at what someone else was doing, or even if they would like look into the sky or anything, if they would not be focusing on the task at hand of what they were doing, they would immediately fall, or they would like not be doing as good as they were when they were just focused on like getting through that challenge or that game. So that to me is just like a really good indicator. Like when you take your mind off the center point of what you're doing, it can really just mess up everything. When I used to do hot yoga, it was very, very, very important for you to focus on one center point of the room because it would throw off your poses. I like to tie little things like that back to life because that's kind of how I feel like that everything is kind of working together, and that's how life is anyway. So yes, long story short, for the month of March, I'm focusing on focusing. You guys can comment down below what your kind of like theme for the month is down below. That would be amazing. I would like to see what you guys are going to be doing for the month of March, or just for this week in general. It doesn't have to be the entire month. It would be amazing if you guys can like come back that following week, so the next week, and update me on how it's going in the comments section, because I'm always reading the comments and I absolutely love knowing what you guys are doing. Because I wanted to pop this in here because I'm about to style my hair, and I've been having to pretty much like do like different techniques for my hair, because as you guys know, I cut my hair. I thought it would be really good to pop this into this video because I was supposed to show it, I was actually supposed to show it earlier and I did not, so I didn't want to like not include this. So yeah, with my hair being cut now, I have to sort of like style it a little bit different. Especially so it doesn't look like weird. I don't know how to explain it, but I used to do this a lot when my hair was shorter. And I don't think I ever like put a dedicated video on YouTube. With my hair being shorter, I noticed that when I use like products that have like heavy moisture or hydration in them, which is like 99% of Nourish products, my hair draws up so much because of all the moisture in my hair. It's like soaking it up. So I found a solution to that issue. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I'm gonna spray my hair with water first to kind of like revamp the products that are already in my hair. This is the combination that I've been using. Let me show you guys. I pretty much take this product here. I'm bending down really weird because my camera is propped up on something. So I take this product here, which is the Nourish Heavenly Cloud Soft Moisture Serum. I pretty much put that on my hair, but what I've been doing is I've been taking a little bit of the Angelic Cocoa Clear Course Jelly, and I'll have all these products linked down below, but I've been taking that product and then taking the Heavenly Cloud Soft Moisture Serum. And so what I do is I mix these two together. And also this is a good technique to see if your products are gonna like really go together, which these two products go really good together. See, there's no caking or anything like that. Everything's like really smooth. Take it and I put it on my hair. First of all, this makes my curls look so moisturized. As you guys can see, as soon as I put it on that side, like look how moisturized it is. I can do like this elongate process that I'm gonna show you. So what I do is I take the back of my hair and I pretty much hold it down like that. See the difference? See the difference? This is like way up here, whereas this is down. So that's what I do to like elongate my hair and just make sure that it looks a little bit, you know, longer after my cut, because I'm not really used to it looking so short. So I found like a way around it. I feel like my guest bathroom is so like echoey. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this again, and I'm just gonna put it on the other side, and I'm doing the exact same thing. And like I said, guys, this works like magic. And voila, that's how I've been doing my hair to like make it look a bit longer. Of course, it still has a little bit of shrinkage, but at least, you know, my hair at first was looking like this short on every style. And I was like, oh my God. So that's what I have been doing. I've just been making sure that my hair is like elongated and things like that. So there's other ways that you can do this, but this is what I've been doing, just pulling my hair down as I style, and so then the style doesn't like look so short. And those two products, oh my gosh, I think I mentioned that in like several, like the last two videos that I posted, I've mentioned that I absolutely love that product combination. And you can now get those two products, the Heavenly Cloud and Angelic Cocoa Clear Course Jelly. You can get them together in a set. So if you guys want to get like the products together, you can get them in a set, and the sets are always a lot more cheaper than just buying just the products by themselves. If you want to get those products, like I said, everything's gonna be linked down in the description box. So I have already done like the first half of my like Sunday routine. I like to make sure during the week that I'm always cleaning up. So we actually clean up all throughout the week, so that when Sunday gets here, I really don't have a huge cleanup job, especially in the kitchen. I feel like that the kitchen is really important. You have to have a clean kitchen. So I'm just gonna wipe off the counters and put up the dishes because they have already been washed and they're already in the dishwasher, and then that's pretty much it I have to do for cleaning until dinner gets here. Then it's gonna be a wreck. On Sundays, I do like to sit out vitamins for myself and Naraya and my boyfriend, so that in the morning we all, you know, remember to take our vitamins, drink our herbal tea, and also make ginger shots. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my ginger shots. I do them so many different ways. I can't even name how many different combinations I put together. Today we're just gonna do a ginger and apple ginger shot. So to wash my fruits and vegetables, this is the organic fruit and vegetable wash I use. Sometimes I make my own, sometimes I get it from Whole Foods, it just depends. But today I'm using this to wash off my fruits and vegetables. And then I'm gonna show you guys the containers that I put the juice in. That I forgot to add is my turmeric. So turmeric is really good for to have inflammatory properties, so I'm gonna put that in there as well. This is the aftermath of everything, but today I made just the right amount. I have a little bit left, which I'm probably gonna drink right now, and then I'm just gonna put on my top. Go ahead and put the tops onto the juice, and we have those for the remainder of the week. And yeah, everyone just goes into the refrigerator in the morning and get them a ginger shot, and it really does help to make sure that you're healthy. My boyfriend in particular has said that he feels a lot better since he's been drinking these daily and just taking in more vitamins. So I wanted to quickly show you guys these amazing towels from the company Geometry. I just wanted to shed some light on this company. My boyfriend's mother sent these over to us and the mail, and oh my gosh, I absolutely am obsessed. And so they are environmentally friendly, and they're just a good way to, you know, have some towels in your kitchen, but these are really high quality. They can get up just about anything and it still doesn't like soak up the towel. It absorbs so well, and absolutely love these towels. So I love this company, and I just wanted to put this in my video because oh my gosh, they have just been a lifesaver for me, and I just feel like that they make cleanup and things like that a lot easier. She actually sent over 4 of the towels, like the tea towels, but I've already used 2 of them. So these are the 2 that I have left. And the thing about these is you don't even have to throw them out like you would do regular, you know, paper towel. You can just wash them and then reuse them. So like I said, environmentally friendly, and they work so good. They're such high quality. So guys, if you are in the market for some new kitchen towels, make sure that you check out Geometry. So for dinner, I normally just cook as the week goes. Like each day I cook. Sometimes we have leftovers, but I don't really meal prep. Okay guys, so I thought that it would be really cool if I sat down and told you guys a little bit about the journal prompts that I'm going to be doing today. And honestly, you guys can use this for your journal prompts. For the month of March, as I mentioned to you guys, I created a focus. So in my journal, I actually used 2 different journals. The first one I used is just going to be this journal here that I have had for a year and a half. And it's almost filled up. I only have like this many pages left to fill in this journal. When I'm done with the journal, I actually consider it just like, you know, moving on to a new chapter kind of. Like I said, I put my morning notes in here. The theme of the month is to focus. The actual journal prompt that I'm going to do for the week is just what do I want to sort of happen at the end of this week. So going into this week, what is my end goal? And that's something that you guys can do as well. So simply, I'm just going to put the theme for my month in the journal. Underneath the theme for the month, I'm going to put the end goal for this week. For example, if you start out this week wanting to achieve a more organized morning, throughout the week you can probably work on that end goal, and then at the end of the week you can reflect to see if you met that goal and how you felt going through the week trying to achieve that goal, and if it was something that you accomplished, or is it something that you want to work on a little bit more. So this is one of the ways that I like to stay on track. I feel like that me having a schedule set out for the week and me also having things just set in stone of what I have to do, especially when it comes to work, it helps me to be a little bit more organized, and it also doesn't have me kind of just running around everywhere, not really knowing what my end game is or why I'm doing certain things. The team that I work with really does help me, because at first, before I had like people helping me, I would be all over the place. So if there is one thing that I recommend, is that you get a system set up for yourself for the week. Of course, I'm talking to those who work for themselves or work at home. That's my number 1 tip for organization, because that's something that I had an issue with, and now it's not such an issue. Sometimes, like I said, not perfect, I get thrown off, but most of the time I try to stay on that schedule, and it really works for me. Just wanted to leave that video with a little bit of encouragement for you guys, and also that journal prompt. I'm about to go fix dinner and settle in for the rest of my Sunday. Like I said, I don't like for my Sundays to just be all work, because the week is kind of busy for me. You know, I have my daughter, I have my family. So I like for Sunday to be kind of like a rest day. So I'm gonna make dinner, and then for the rest of this day, I'm going to be relaxing, taking some time for myself, and really just basking in my Sunday. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you guys give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.